Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get voice changer on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to go to my TikTok application and I'm going to create a post on TikTok with my video. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to click on this option and I'm just going to choose a video from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm talking in this video and then I'm going to apply a voice changer. I'm going to click on next, and then if we want to get the voice changer, we can click on this little arrow. Okay, and you can click on this voice menu, tap on this microphone icon, and then here you will be able to apply a view of voice builder or voice changer. And I'm going to try it guys.
Oh my, because I don't want to do podcast. And my friends.
Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Little cute.
And then we can click on save.
Butterfly.
Okay, and then once you're ready to share your video, you can click on next. And then you can click on post to post your video to TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to get a voice changer on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.